What's up, guys? So we're back with another video today. I know we're all a little late to the game here, but I got a pretty good deal from the AT&T store on the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. So I figured I'd take a look at it. Alright, so let's unbox this and check it out. You get the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard in a normal, elegant Apple packaging. As shown here. That's how it's going to look when it's installed. Well, let's see if it really does. Grab that Batman knife that I love. And let's unbox this puppy. Alright, let's not break it. Actually, pretty big fan of Apple packaging. Let's close this knife up. Alright, just rip some of this plastic off. File that. Jump to the side. Right. Sit away. It just pops up. That's why I just love Apple packaging. Wow, look at that. Actually got cloth on the inside. Alright, so we got a little thing here designed by Apple in California. Okay. Basically, it's inside is some junk. Got any stickers or anything? No. Alright, so let's put that to the side for now. And we're presented with the actual item itself, which is nicely wrapped, as you can see, with a nice little pull, just like most Apple products. Beautifully designed. Love this. Alright, so we got that. We open it up. Nice once again. And there we go. Keyboard. Alright, so far pretty snazzy, pretty sexy. Yeah, so let's see what this looks like with the iPad Pro. Alright, we're going to try it with a few different cases. This one is that TPU case I've been talking about from Poetic. See, it has the spot where you connect it, so this should just connect. Being that I've never used one of these, I see. So you want to have it like that, and then connect. And it connects right with it. Alright, now for the fun part, does it actually, oh look at that, I didn't even have to do anything. It just works. That is super cool. It just works. Alright, so now let's say I'm done and now I want to use this as a smart cover. How exactly does it, oh I see, unwraps, you put it in like that. Alright, so yeah, there you go, with case and everything. Apple Pencil on top, still fitting. Unbelievable. I love this. Alright, so that's basically a short video on this. As you can see, it fits with the case. Apple keyboard just snaps in. She's a go. I paid $140 for this to win. I'm gonna drop a link down for Amazon. It's probably the best place to really grab these. They're super hard to get in Apple stores. The Apple Pencil, as you know, is hard to get. Alright guys, I just wanted to do something quick. Leave me a like, share it around, care it. I'm trying to bring you guys some quality videos and some pretty good stuff. Trying to do everything here. Get the better lighting, better audio, better video. Shooting in 4K now. Alright guys, see you in the next one.